Wondering about medicine for kennel cough? Pet dog owners will agree with me that kennel cough seems to be an exceptionally worrisome disease in canines. In actuality, kennel cough in pets could be compared with a common cold in humans. Research shows that kennel cough is really triggered by a PC virus, not a bacteria or condition as originally believed. Because of it, kennel cough could disperse quickly, and while the symptoms of it are without a doubt scary to hear, getting kennel cough is not necessarily an indicator of something much more hazardous or significant. So all you pet owners available, no should stress. All you'll need to do is look for various nostrum for kennel cough. This is because, the good news is, most cases of kennel cough do not need healthcare. Interest.There are a number of various nostrum for kennel cough. Some of them consist of conventional home treatments, home steaming treatments, soothing botanicals, and homeopathic remedies. Below you will discover higher specifics about these various therapies. Below.Home steaming treatments. Most animal owners concur that this is among the most efficient techniques of dealing with kennel cough in canines. It involves placing of a spray that has cozy water in a space. Hot showers are also ideal for supplying this sort of vapor therapy. It is recommended that canine owners do this procedure at the very least 3 times in a span of some day. Among the wonderful things to know is that these are the cheapest approaches used in making certain that kennel cough is eradicated. With this therapy, the vapor generated really opens the canine's bronchial tubes, which avoids stopping up of mucus or various other discharges from housing in a pet dog's lungs. Once these bronchial tubes are cleared, the kennel cough symptoms will be gone. Conventional Residence TherapiesThis remedy includes basic actions that can be done in the house to eliminate the kennel cough infection from your pet's system. As an example, canine owners ought to ensure that their pets are kept in clean kennels. A good way to do this is to make certain your canine is properly toilet educated, to ensure that they are not relaxing or living in damp spots from unmindful urination. An additional crucial thing to bear in mind is to ensure that your pet eats healthy and regularly. This will certainly lower their vulnerabilities to various infections. Wet meals and fresh meals support in this, permitting your dog to heal faster than expected.Relaxing. BotanicalsThere are various products on the market that can be used by dog owners as home remedies for kennel cough. These products assist in enhancing the immune device of your canine in order to protect against infections. Several of these items feature Plantago Lanceolata, Bryonia C6, and Purpurea.Homeopathic remedies. Holistic remedies show to be the most reliable home remedy for kennel cough. These remedies include KC self-defense, Respoke and homeopathic nose relief. Guarantee that you utilize these treatments as advised in order for them to be effective. With the number of home remedies for kennel cough readily available to canine owners, I make sure you could agree with us because there is no should be extremely stressed if your pet deals this virus. While kennel cough symptoms might sound horrible when your pet dog is experiencing them, in the plan of things, they are absolutely nothing to serious.I'm like you. I loved my dog and was worried when she had kennel cough, too. I was glad to find out about this great resource for dog owners, so I'm going to tell you about it too. It has tons of answers to questions like medicine for kennel cough. You will find lots of answers to health questions for your dog there. Don't forget the answers you need for your pet's health, like medicine for kennel cough will help you sleep better knowing your dog is happy and healthy.